Hi, I'm Christian Triola, author of The Missing Method for Guitar books. And when you first learn guitar, one of the things that everybody wants to learn is chords, because they sound great. And you can sing along with them. But when you're new to it, it's often kind of difficult to get those sounding right from the start. So today I'm going to go over 3 chords that, as a brand new player, you can play and they sound great. So let's get into it. This lesson, of course, comes from this book, Your First 10 Acoustic Guitar Lessons. Now, what this book has in it, of course, is just what it says. It's like if you're going to a music store and getting lessons or getting lessons online, this is pretty much what a lot of teachers will do, and it's all in this book here. So if you're new, this is definitely something to check out, and you'll be able to practice today's chords in this book. So let's get into it. All right, the first chord we're going to look at is E minor, and the reason is that you can play it with just 3 strings, the top 3 strings here. So you don't even need to hold anything down with this hand, you just strum 3 strings, and that's called E minor. All right, let's move on to the next chord, which is G major. So for that, you would take your 3rd finger and press down right next to the fret on fret number 3. So you count 1, 2, 3, place your finger there, and then strum through those strings. Same 3 as before. So it's not quite a full sound, but it still sounds good and will get you playing. And then finally, we have the C major chord. So to do that, you put your 1st finger at the 1st fret of the 2nd string and then strum those same 3 strings again. Now this one you may run into problems. If you do, it's likely because your 1st finger here is not up on the tip. And if it's not, you'll get this kind of sound, where you don't hear that 1st string coming through. So just take your finger, put it more on the tip, and then you've got it. Now to practice those, even without the book, just strum each one 4 times evenly. So you might do something like this with C to start, E minor, G, C. And you can see it sounds pretty good, and it'll get you playing guitar with just 1 finger chords. And you can mix those up in any way you'd like. Or, as mentioned earlier, you can get yourself a copy of Your First 10 Acoustic Guitar Lessons, in which you'll be able to practice these chords and learn a whole lot more. You'll practice chords, note reading, reading tablature, and just all the guitar basics that get you started. Not only that, but this book has a unique feature that it tells you and shows you exactly what to practice every day so you can hear and see yourself making progress. So check that out at themissingmethod.com and most online retailers, and I will see you for the next video.